hello everyone. So today we will start working with the Yamaha FZ1. So I received the parts, the new radiator, radiator fan, rear blinkers. Still waiting for the headlight. It will be soon, and yes. So let's start working, and I will show you the work. Alright, so here is the Yamaha. We removed all the broken parts before. So what we need still, we need to replace headlight, radiator, rear blinkers, and few other small parts. So here I have a new radiator, blinkers, and the radiator fans. So let's start working with those parts. Alright, so I need to fix one ventilator radiator fan, so one is working good. The other one not working. Alright, so where we are, the radiator is ready to install. Now I need to remove speedometer from the old headlight, all wires, and the regulator. So let's work on this thing. So all wires are removed. Alright, so now I need to remove last part, the regulator, and that's it. I won't need this bracket because the headlight will be different. So the wires are removed. All is done. Speedometer is removed. Regulator is removed. So now I just need the new headlight, the new bracket, and then I will be able to install this one, all those parts to the front. So now I'm waiting for the headlight. What we're doing next, so as you can see there is no turn signal, so I have new ones. I will install those ones with the E markers. And the other thing what we're gonna do, this number plate should be somewhere here, so this bracket I need to replace from here to here, so it will be more better. Number plate is installed, so now it looks better. turn signals are installed, so now I just need to figure out with the wires what's going on. Professional electric people. All done. All 4 wires are welded with the alloy, so it's gonna be alright. Alright, so I will install radiator, plug all the tubes, and then we will fill the antifreeze, and then we will try to run the bike. So radiator is installed. There was one screw on the other side, one screw on the bottom. So hoses here, here, and here. The other side, there was the screw here. So hoses here and here. Alright. Okay, so that's it for today. The radiator is installed, few other parts are installed, so now I'm just waiting for the headlight and that's it. The bike will be ready. So now, few days and headlight will be here and then that's it.